The DJI Air 3S is here now with a new 1-inch sensor, 70mm telelens, professional colour profiles. So you want your video to look exceptional, and it will do, because today I'm releasing my brand new DJI Air 3S LUTs, the only LUTs you're ever going to need. So these are specially designed for the DJI Air 3S, and you're going to absolutely love these. I really do. I use them on every single video clip. Ever since I started working on this DJI Air 3S, secretly testing this out, I've been working on these LUTs to actually tweak them to make them absolutely fantastic. So first of all, what is a LUT? Well, it stands for lookup table. So think of it with photos. Photos, we've had presets, filters, styles for photos for ages now, and that will change the look or the style of your photo. And think of it exactly the same, but for video. So video, we have LUTs, and photos, you will have presets. And each one of these is just going to change the style or the colors of that video. So rather than getting your drone and you actually film in that current location you're in, it might be quite overcast, the colors might look really dull. Well, you can actually change the complete style of that. So each one of these LUTs is going to give you a different creative look. That's the most easy and simplest way of thinking about it, just so you don't get confused like, what is a LUT? I've heard people mention it. I've no idea. It's just a style or a filter, but for your video clip. But actually color grading, learning that skill, it takes years to actually master it. So people will get a clip out of their drone, they'll try and actually change them colors, change the curves, and the clip just looks awful because it takes so much knowledge and time to actually understand color grading. So to save a lot of time, this is why LUTs are fantastic. Each one is actually a different style, and each one has been created specially for the DJI Air 3S. So you can skip all that learning process. You don't have to spend ages. It's simply a matter of drag and drop onto your video clip and get instant results. So the DJI Air 3S has two main color profiles. It has the normal color profile, so everything is already done by DJI. It's already got its own LUT applied, but from DJI. And you also have D-Log-M. This is what I personally use all the time because it's going to give you the very best in terms of quality. So it captures 1 billion colors. The normal color profile captures 16 million, but it's also going to protect the highlights and the shadows. So you're giving this really flat image to start with. So first of all, you're going to be like, what is this? It looks terrible. But that's because it's basically a flat image for you to color grade. And this is where people go wrong, like I've just mentioned. So all these LUTs, you just drag them onto your video clip. You can use them on the 24mm lens or the 70mm, it doesn't matter, they're all going to look fantastic. And each one, like I mentioned, will give you a different style. Some of my favorites is the universal LUT. This is going to add teal and orange saturation curves. And as the name suggests, it can be used in a variety of different video clips. It really is a universal LUT that you could use on anything. Now Cine, this is going to increase the contrast, pull down some of the shadows, and decrease the saturation for more of that cinematic moody look. This one looks fantastic. And you also have Hit It. This is like a boost LUT. As it suggests, it's going to actually increase the saturation, especially in the blues, whilst decreasing the shadows. But they're all created, so they're not like completely overdone and they look so unnatural. All of these look so nice and stylized. You're going to love them. And you also have favorites like Set and Forget, and this I've been creating ever since the DJI Mini 2. So with this one, you can use it on any clip. You literally just drag it on, and it's just going to give you subtle amounts of contrast and saturation. Basically just make any clip look better in any scenario you're in. You can use Set and Forget. It's so simple. This is why people love it. Then you've also got the popular styles like you have teal and orange. I've also created a couple of filmic styles as well, which are really popular now to give you that vintage or washed out look. So all 15 of these, each one is going to give you a different look. Now I've also created my own conversion LUT as well for the D-Log-M color profile. Now DJI do actually make one as well, but I really don't like it. It's far too saturated and contrasty. This one looks so much better. But the great news is that all of these different LUTs can be used in the normal color profile as well. Say you're not ready to use D-Log-M, you don't want this flat image, you just want to use a normal color profile, you're not comfortable or ready to actually move on to D-Log-M yet, but you want your normal color profile clips just to look something different, more stylized, have different actually looks to them. Well, you can use any of these. So for instance, these clips here, these are shot in the normal color profile. I'm going to add one of my LUTs to them. You can see completely transform them colors, so you get this completely different style and look to any of your normal color profiles as well. So don't just think these are D-Log-M, you can use them on both. And also included is a video instruction guide showing you exactly how to install these on your video editors and how to use them, how I use them, how really easy it is to get decent results. So don't just think like, I don't really know how to use these, you're going to get a full instruction guide as well. So these are available right now on my website. I'm going to link them at the top of the description. It's a digital download. It gets emailed to you. This could mean a really great present for somebody this Christmas. So go and check them out. And unlike others who are charging upwards of $50 or $100 for their LUTs, these are specially designed for the DJI Air 3S, and I'm still keeping them at that same affordable price. So thank you so much if you pick these up. It's the best way of supporting this channel. I really do appreciate it. But you're going to absolutely love these. I'm using them all the time, and now you have access to them as well. So thank you so much. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.